One day, while browsing the web, you stumbled upon a business opportunity: freeze-dried food. Its unique drying effect and high added value piqued your interest, and you began brainstorming your initial freeze-drying business plan. Coincidentally, your friend Peter owns a farm and harvests a large amount of apples every autumn. Due to the oversaturated market for fresh apples, about 20 tons of surplus apples are sold at a low price to juice factories between July and October each year. Peter proposed a collaboration and hoped you could help him solve this issue. Excited, you took on the challenge, but soon realized a new problem: sales channels. Luckily, Lee, a retailer of freeze-dried apples, is expanding his business and needs an additional 1 ton of freeze-dried apples annually. He's been searching for a reliable supplier. The three of you quickly decided to collaborate, but there are two critical challenges. 1. What capacity freeze dryer would Peter need to process 20 tons of apples in 3 months? 2. Can the freeze-dried apples meet Lee's market demand? Let's take Peter's perspective. To process 20 tons of apples in 3 months, Peter would need equipment capable of handling 20 tons divided by 3 months times 30 days equals 222 kilograms per day. So, he would need a machine with a capacity of at least 222 kilograms per day. For the second question, we need to calculate the weight of the freeze-dried apples. Referring to a table of moisture content in different products, apples have a moisture content of about 85%. When 20 tons of fresh apples are freeze-dried to 0% moisture, the resulting weight would be 20 times 1 to 85% equals 3 tons. However, achieving 0% moisture is nearly impossible. In practice, freeze-dried products typically have about 3% moisture remaining. To adjust for this, we calculate 3 divided by 1 to 3% is almost equal to 3.1 tons. This gives us a formula to estimate freeze-dried product weight. Freeze-dried weight equals fresh fruit weight times 1, moisture content, divided by 0.97. Using this formula, Peter's freeze-dried apples would far exceed Lee's demand. To supply Lee's needs, we can reverse the formula. Fresh fruit weight equals freeze-dried weight times 0.97 divided by 1, moisture content. From this, we calculate that Lee only requires 6.5 tons of fresh apples to meet his demand. Now, as a partner, how will you address the surplus? Will you seek out new retailers to help Peter sell the extra freeze-dried apples? Or will you suggest that Peter reduce production and invest in a smaller freeze-drying machine to avoid overproduction? And for you, the viewer, will you be the next Peter or Lee and start your freeze-drying business? No matter who you are, these formulas and the moisture content table can serve as a great foundation for planning your freeze-drying journey. Feel free to leave a comment and share your thoughts.